The Bitcoin watch is starting now, people. Within the next 24 hours, we're going to know. Actually, I would think within the next 6 to 8 hours, we're going to know whether or not we're going to be breaking up and getting another bull run in Bitcoin. We need to break 97,752 in order to head up to that 102,000 level in order to start to crawl back up to break through 109 for much higher levels. But the key today is, as you can see, Bitcoin has been basically just channeling within this big rectangular area. The key price for it to hold up for today is 94,300. I wouldn't mind actually seeing, a potential movement down to maybe halfway. Maybe let's go 90. Let's say 96,000. I'll pull my arrow up a little bit. Maybe 96,000 for an ability for Bitcoin to basically just get up enough strength to get through this level. But once it gets through this level, it needs to hold above this level so that it will act as a support to basically start to launch Bitcoin back up to the 102.33 level. There will be some resistance up there because it has been, as you can see, channeling between the 97,000 and the 92,273. Hasn't quite touched that 92,273, which is good. Because we don't want that critical price to be tested and broken, because that would say that we're heading back down towards 90,000 or 89,997. So the key critical prices that we've been working between the 97,752 and the 92,273 are the two critical prices in order for either Bitcoin to, if it breaks the top, Bitcoin is going to go to 102. The warning level is 94,207. 94,207 on the day. If it breaks that, it means it's drifting back lower towards this 92,273. So here are the key points again. We need to get up, perhaps stay above this level of 94 in order to basically come back up this way. Now, also, the alternative actually is if we do start to break downward and break through this, so we'll use this as a resistance point to get us to 92 and potentially 89. So I think within the next 8 hours, 10 hours, we're going to know exactly which way Bitcoin wants to go. It's been coiling, and it's been showing kind of a partial bearish nature to it, but we'll see. Let's go over to XRP. XRP needs to hold above 260 today, and then the main support is 241. It needs to get through 282 in order to potentially jump up to the $3 level. Okay, so it's been also doing basically the same thing Bitcoin's doing. It's been coiling between 282 and 240. The key important point today is the 260 level. It needs to hold this in order to attempt to get above 282. If it can get above 282, close above 282, it's heading towards 3. If it basically breaks down through this level, it's going to use it probably will use the 260 as a resistance to probably come back down to the 244, 245 level. Main support is 241. If it breaks that, we're going back into the 130s again. Remember how we were stuck at 136 for like ever? All right, so that's what I got for you guys for the cryptocurrencies today. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. Also, you can head on over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook, Old World School, Old World Trading, and you'll basically be able to, read about how you can determine whether a market is potentially in a false breakout, either through a pivot level or trend line or Fibonacci level. So again, If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.